the moment you want to create a real product, it's not only about the functionality of that product, but everything that goes around shipping that product to market. You need a bank, you need an actual business, because otherwise you're going to get hammered on taxes later on.
That's right.
Because like that guy was saying, for the person that doesn't know code, this is amazing, right? It feels like magic. But for the seniors, right, the developers,
The old
and
guys like me.
engineers who have been for decades coming up, that know, what is, the securities, and know what it takes to have a truly scale app, because that, I think, seems to be the biggest problem right now. Anybody can buy code an app, but then
Yes.
it's going to become the marketplace of ideas. I can see that already happening, as you can see.
Very much
about who has the best idea, but then there's going to be a disconnect. I'm able to code an app, but the moment that app does something I don't like, I don't even understand the code. Or we had the idea and we had to hire a developer, the developer then get the developer to understand the idea. That alone was a task, right?
Yes.
Then getting a product to completion is much faster. You can iterate, you can code, but then when it comes to shipping products that others can use, that's a whole different ballgame. How do you scale?
It's still a little bit of a trick to take technology into a product, right? You and I build technologies all the time that are not products, right? You need how do you charge for it? Do I get a Stripe? Do I get who do I get to take the money, and how does that translate into receipts and invoices and stuff like that the business runs on, so that when the customer buys something from your app and they don't get it, how do you go back to figure out what the hell went wrong, right? And so this is where business models and technological models and everything get together to form a product, and where most people don't think about that.